1908. Leather boots, wooden baton, 20 miles a day on foot. 1935. Black sedans, two-way radios. The first time a badge moved faster than a man. 1979. Dodge Monaco, 440 cubic inches. No seat belts, no backup camera, only attitude. 1992. Chevrolet Caprice LT1 engine, push bumper, the Pursuit legend. 2005. Crown Victoria, gas hog, body on frame, indestructible. They don't make them like that anymore. 2024. Police Interceptor Utility, twin turbo, hybrid silent, armored doors, drone deployment, artificial intelligence in the console. 2030. Electric pursuit, 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. Cameras replace mirrors. Charging ports replace gas tanks. From hoof beats to horsepower. From pistons to processors. From 6 cylinders to cyber trucks. America didn't just upgrade police cars. We reinvented what a badge can drive. This isn't your grandfather's patrol car. This is the thin blue line on Afterburner, the evolution of authority.